you beautiful people, what's up? It's your girl CC, and I am coming to you today with my second vlogging video. I think, I was sitting out here in this beautiful weather in Florida. It's hot like crazy, and summer's not even here yet, but it's so damn hot. And I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna keep my self-care Sunday as part of my vlogging videos, because a lot of us can use that, right? Because think about the whole week. Well, then again, I hope you watch my vlog, my first one from last Sunday, because I told you guys to get out of the kitchen on Sunday. Hubby and the kids will have to do whatever they need to do. If you have boys, get them some pizza, okay? Or some wings or whatever, because Sunday is time for you to do you, okay? Do you. Get your nails done, get your life together, sleep all day if you have to. Don't worry about them. You know they're gonna talk anyway, so do what you think is right for you. Let me give you a rundown what I did today. Although I didn't go to church this morning, but that's okay. God sees my heart. You know me, God, you see it. Although I went online, I always do my virtual service online, even when I go to church. And if I don't go to church, I still get my virtual service online. And TD was awesome this morning. So, and after that, I showered, got myself together. We had breakfast, and what else did I do? Start planning my week. Guys, especially it's a new month, the month of May. You want to be more productive, right? You want to get your stuff together. So why not take that Sunday to reflect, to look at the things that you need to get done for the week? So I started planning my whole month, my whole entire month. And that's what sometimes it's hard for me when someone asks me, what am I doing today? And I'm like, let me look at my calendar. I'm sorry, I'm already booked. And it's hard because and when I say we, I do mean my husband and I, we do plan a month ahead. So that way we're not like, okay, what should we do this weekend? You need to do that with your spouse. Look at your calendar, the new month, and plan it. Take that Sunday to do your planning with your spouse or by yourself, like I did today on Sunday. And although yesterday we had a great time out, we were grocery shopping, we had fun with the kids, but Sunday they know that they'll come at me, they'll bother me, leave me alone. And that's what I did. I stayed out here, and my husband is such a great guy. He left me by myself, although the kids were having a hard time. But hey, they know, okay? But yes, back to your planning. Make sure you take that Sunday. It's still early. It's only 6 o'clock. Well, wherever you're watching. In my time, Eastern time is 6 o'clock here. Make sure you take that time to plan your whole week. When Monday comes, the kids go back to school, or it all start over again. You may not have time to do your planning. So why not take the time today and look at your calendar, look at your schedule, and see what are you going to do for the whole week, for the whole month. Are you going to do a little bit self-development, get you a book and read a book? I mean, I wish I had brought my book with me, because I started reading this book about mindset. It's such a great book. And I feel like on Sundays, why not take the time to read a little bit about mindset? That way you get your mind right for the week, right? Because you will need all that strength, all that mind right, whatever it is, all this motivation that you need, you're gonna need it. So guys, take the time, get out of the kitchen. Well, girls, ladies, not the guys, okay? Forget the guys, okay? Forget the guys. I'm talking to my ladies, the moms, if you're not a mom, you can still watch this, because you would need my tips. So take the time to do you on a Sunday. Do you, boo. Do what you gotta do. The kids are looking at me right now. They can come out here. Stay inside. Seriously, it was when I just came out. They need to stay inside, because don't come around here and mess my time, because I am not negotiating my time. My husband is inside right now, and he's making this nice ribs. That's what he got to do. I'll do it during the week, so you treat me on the weekend. So yeah, so do what you got to do. Let the hubby do the cooking, let the kids do the cleaning, and you do you. Watch TV all day, Do your self-care, do what you gotta do, because you matter and you would need it for the week, because you need your strength, you need your energy, and you need your time. So that's all I have for today. I guess I'll see you next Sunday.